Hello, and welcome to Easy Learn English podcast. Today's topic is, what do you do every day? Let's talk about our daily routines and learn useful English sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin. Morning routine. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I get out of bed and stretch my arms. Then, I go to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I take a quick shower. It helps me feel fresh. I get dressed and go to the kitchen. For breakfast, I usually eat eggs, bread, and cheese. Sometimes I eat cereal or drink orange juice. I always drink a cup of tea or coffee. After breakfast, I check my phone, read messages, and maybe look at the news. Then, I prepare my bag and go to work or school. Going to work school. I usually walk to work. Sometimes, I take the bus or drive my car. It takes about 30 minutes to get there. On the way, I like to listen to music or a podcast, maybe this one. At work, I check emails and start my tasks. If I am a student, I go to my first class. I listen to the teacher and take notes. Lunchtime. Around 12:30, I take a break and have lunch. I eat with my friends or coworkers. We talk about our day and laugh together. Sometimes, I eat a sandwich, rice, or pasta. I usually drink water or fruit juice. After lunch, I feel better and ready to continue. Afternoon routine. In the afternoon, I continue working or studying. I make phone calls, write emails, or attend meetings. If I am a student, I have more classes. I try to stay focused, but sometimes I feel tired. I take a short coffee break if I need energy. Then, I continue until the end of the work or school day. Evening routine. After work, I go home. On the way, I may stop at a supermarket to buy groceries. When I arrive home, I take off my shoes and relax for a few minutes. I usually watch TV, check social media, or listen to music. Sometimes, I go for a walk or exercise at the gym. If it's a special day, I may meet friends or go to the cinema. I cook dinner around 7:30 p.m. I enjoy cooking simple meals like soup, salad, or pasta. I eat dinner while watching a show or talking with family. Night routine. At night, I take a shower, change into my pajamas, and read a book. Sometimes I watch a video or listen to relaxing music. I check my schedule for the next day. Then I turn off the lights and go to sleep around 11 p.m. What about you? Now it's your turn. What do you do every day? Do you have a morning routine? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you like your job or school? Try to answer these questions out loud. Practice your English every day. You can talk to yourself or record your voice. Thank you for listening to Easy Learn English podcast. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. What do you do every day? Don't forget to practice and repeat the new words. See you next time. Bye-bye.